Good afternoon. I'm Max Kaiserman with the Independent Seaport Museum and the flagship Olympia Foundation, asking for your help today to help restore a component to allow us to reopen the quarterdeck to the public. Specifically, the stanchions and safety chains here are original to the ship, built in 1892. We would like to update them so that the space can come alive again. What the quarterdeck served as was the officers' lounge area, as well as where to see dignitaries and special events. Sunday services were held right here on Olympia's quarterdeck, and it was here that the remains of the unknown soldier in 1921 were piped over the side at the Washington Navy Yard after his return from France. If you come with me, you can see some interesting features of the quarterdeck that you'll be able to see once we get this safety feature back open. The bits here with the O's in the tops. The restored original woodwork that was done right here at Independent Seaport Museum's workshop on the water, as well as the 8-inch guns that made Olympia such a powerful force throughout her history. Dignitaries like Teddy Roosevelt and Admiral Dewey and Captain Gridley walked these very same decks. As a matter of fact, in September of 1899, Teddy Roosevelt came aboard Olympia right here. And it's right here that we can show you actually a sample of what we're looking to do. With your help, we can restore the bases of each one of these stanchions and install a new stanchion that will hold a new safety cable and safety mesh. Hopefully, we'll be able to reopen the space not only for private events and rentals, but also for everyday tours so that you can come down here on your own and get to walk these decks, see our flag, see the beautiful restored woodwork, and really make history come alive right here on the Cruiser Olympia. Donate today to our GoFundMe, and we can get started as soon as possible. And hopefully we'll see you aboard in 2021 for the 100th anniversary of the return of the unknown soldier. Thank you so much.